Assalamu alaikum. This is the fifth lecture of category theory two. So today our topic is isomorphism. So let's define the definition. Isomorphism. Okay. So let's write the definition of isomorphism. So an isomorphism in a category an isomorphism in a category is a morphism. Is a morphism. What type of morphism? Let's say F is a morphism X to Y, where X and Y are the objects of category for which there exists a morphism G from Y to X such that f of G is equal to id on X and G of F is equal to id on Y. So the objects X and Y are isomorphic whenever there exists an isomorphism okay, isomorphism between X and Y and denoted by X is isomorphic to Y. Okay. So let's take some examples. So first of all, the isomorphisms in set are precisely the bijection. The isomorphisms in set, category of set. Okay, this is not a set, this is a category of sets are precisely the bijection, precisely the bijection. Okay, this is the bijection here. If we select the categories of set, so there is a isomorphism in between objects, means in between the objects of category of sets, means let's say we have a category which is the category of sets. So the object of category of set is set. There's a set 1, there's a set 2. So there is a morphism F is isomorphism. So this is in set theoretical. This is like a bijection map. Okay, this is bijection map, means 1 to 1 and onto 1 to 1 and onto map. This is okay, 1 to 1 and onto map. Okay. If we have a category of groups or the category of rings or the category of fields, or we can say the category of modules. So we have the isomorphisms or the homomorphisms. Okay. Homomorphisms. The third example is the isomorphism in the category of top. The isomorphisms in the category of top, in the category of top are homeomorphisms. Okay, homeomorphisms means if we will talk about the category of top, whose objects are topological spaces, let's say top 1 and top 2. If we define the isomorphism between the category of top objects, let's say topological space 1 and topological space 2. So if there is a isomorphism, so we can say this is isomorphism. So here isomorphisms are homeomorphisms. Okay. Isomorphisms are homeomorphisms. And what is the definition of homeomorphism? Homeomorphism definition we can see in the lectures of topological spaces. Okay, topology. So let's take next examples. If we take the H top category, if we take the category of H top, if we take next example, if we take the category of H top, okay, so they are the isomorphisms, homotopy equivalences, equivalences. Okay, if we have a category of H top, means let's say this is a topological space H x comma tau 1 and next topological space is x comma tau 2. So there is a morphism f from this topological space to this topological space. We will use if we are saying this is the isomorphism. So here isomorphism is a H homotopy classes. Okay, homotopy equivalences, or we can say path homotopy or homotopy. Okay. So next is the next definition is groupoid in category theory. Okay. So next definition is groupoid. What is the definition of groupoid? Let's write the definition of groupoid. A groupoid is a category. A groupoid is a category. A groupoid is a category. Okay, a groupoid is a category in which every morphism, in which every morphisms is an isomorphism, okay, is an isomorphism. What is the examples? So first example is group. If group is a category, if we are talking about the group as a category, so group is the category is groupoid. Okay, this is groupoid because every morphism in category group are isomorphisms. Okay, isomorphism. So we can say group. The category group is a category a groupoid because every morphism in category group is isomorphism. Okay. So let's end this video. Allah Hafiz. I will explain next topic in next videos.